Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. Start by accessing settings and scrolling down. Now choose advanced features, click on one-handed mode and tap on the switcher to turn it on. Now scroll down and pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. Click on the chosen one and follow the instructions below. So I have to double tap the home button. Sorry. So when I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now on. You can always change placement of the screen by clicking on this icon over here. And if you wish to go back, just click on the blurry area. You can always turn off one-handed mode completely by clicking on the switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!